Hello, myself Jagdish Malviya from Baroda High School. I'm the mentor for this project, and here is my team. Uh, Let me introduce this team, starting with
Myself, Kranti Verma from class 11th B.
Myself, Kavan Kapadia from class 11th A.
Myself, Kevalya Verma from 11th Science.
And we are from BHS Juniors to Alkapuri, Vadodara. We are working on a project under the guidance of Jagdish sir. We have named it as emergency kit for CPR. This will work in 3 stages: compression of ribs, inhale, exhale, and shock pulse. All the details regarding this project is given in the description. Thank you.